Hello traders, Gary Wagner here, approximately 10:30 a.m. in Honolulu, making it 3:30 in New York on Monday, the 27th day of February 2012, and this is the daily report for gold and silver. With a stock market, a Dow over 13,000 today, we do have a softening in the metals this morning. We currently are down very nominally in silver, down about 6 cents, putting it down about 0.17% on the day, and 0.36 lower, down 6.40 in gold. You know, I'll tell you, I absolutely have mixed feelings today, and let me explain why. On one hand, we see that this market, without a shadow of a doubt, has come to our predetermined resistance points. And these are points, traders, that you know we marked some time ago. Let me go ahead and blow this up. I'm sorry. And you can see that it kind of went right to this area, has come down right in here. The question that we have to ask is this going to form a little bit of resistance? And what I mean by that is, are we going to see something like this, a move up? In other words, within our waves, little subwaves, and are we going to get a small correction here? That's question one. We have some resilience, because I can tell you that this is the conflict in my mind right now, is that this market is still fairly strong. We haven't really seen it sell off in any way, in any drastic manner. But we have to remember, the key right now, without a shadow of a doubt, is that when it hit this resistance area, as we talked about on Friday's show, there can be no doubt this market is trading lower from that point. So traders, that really is the first piece of evidence that we might be having some short-term resistance in this area. The second piece of evidence that I do want to talk to you and show you today is by looking at our daily Henkin charts. Of course, this is a Japanese average chart. And what you can see in this chart quite clearly, we talked about on Friday, the fact that when we take a look at this one candle that was forming, that's right in here, even though it had the lack of a lower wick, which is a positive sign, what we did talk about is the fact that it is a very small bodied candle. That can be very indicative of a marketplace about to reverse. The second thing that we're seeing is in today's candle, because when we look at it is a doji candle. Now, a doji candle in both Henkin and candlestick have a significant meaning, and that meaning is that it can either be consolidating before taking off and moving higher, which is one way to look at it, and the other is that it could be indicating some sort of a key reversal, because what you'll see genuinely in the market is, as the market moves up, you get these body sizes increasing, as you have right in here. You'll then get a decrease in the body size, and then you'll typically get a reversal doji or a reversal color change, meaning from green to red. And we're certainly seeing that doji in the market today. You can see this on the bottoms of most of the markets as well as the tops, in that you get some sort of indication when the market hits that point. Now, we have our stop sitting very low. We're in at 1580. We have other positions that we've put on. We did look to put on other positions, which we did last week. The question is, should we raise our stops, and if so, where should we put them? And that's something that I will look at throughout the trading day and send out a special trading alert if needed to raise the stops or to act accordingly. Traders, although it is off only 6 cents on the day today, we're looking at our daily chart of silver. We can also say that on this particular chart, look at this in terms of how the market lines up to this resistance area. It seems as though it hit almost a brick wall when it hit there. Now, again, this market could simply be consolidating. However, the fact that we have looked at these areas as spots in which we might see some resistance, and in both gold and silver, what we are seeing is it hitting this particular area and then finding resistance. It lends me to believe that there is that probability that over the next few trading days, we might see either consolidation or corrective actions within the market. And the big question is, which will it be? Will it be a corrective action or will it be simply a consolidation before moving higher? That is why I want to wait a little while to see how the market reacts at this point before issuing my next recommendation. This has been Gary Wagner wishing you, as always, good trading. We'll talk to you tomorrow on Tuesday for another daily update and review. Bye-bye.